Understanding Dermabrasion, a simplified guide for English learners. Hello and welcome to our English learning series. Today, we're going to explore the term dermabrasion. This word might sound complex, but we'll break it down together to make it easy to understand. So, let's dive in. Dermabrasion is a medical procedure, mainly used in skin treatment. It involves a dermatologist or a plastic surgeon removing the outer layers of the skin, typically on the face. This is done to repair and improve the appearance of the skin damaged by acne, scars, or wrinkles. The term dermabrasion combines two parts: derma, meaning skin, and abrasion, referring to a process of wearing away or scraping. Understanding the roots of the word helps in grasping its meaning more clearly. In this procedure, a doctor uses a special instrument to sand the skin. This might sound scary, but it's a controlled process that carefully removes the damaged outer layer to reveal smoother, newer skin underneath. It's important to note that dermabrasion is different from microdermabrasion, which is a less invasive procedure. Dermabrasion can be used to treat various skin conditions, such as scars, sun damage, and fine lines. The procedure can significantly improve the texture and appearance of the skin, making it a popular choice for cosmetic reasons. After undergoing dermabrasion, the skin usually needs time to heal. This involves following the doctor's advice on aftercare, like avoiding sun exposure and using specific skincare products. Healing typically takes a few weeks, during which the skin gradually improves in appearance. We hope this video has helped clarify what dermabrasion is all about. Remember, whether it's a medical term or any new English word, breaking it down makes it easier to understand. Thanks for watching, and see you in our next lesson.